Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Camille from Shanghai CHZ Lighting. Today, I'll introduce to you our LED floodlight FL27A. We are going to talking about 6 different advantages of this LED floodlight. Special integrated structure, avant-garde design, and the stable and reliable quality. This series has 3 different sizes, power from 50 watts to 500 watts, wide coverage, and cost-effective. Also, can widely replace other high-power lamps. The screw can be 0 to 240 degrees adjusted, allows for precise installation. The black wave here can balance the internal and external temperature. Precision aluminum die casting process. The surface of the lamp body is specially sprayed with plastic treatment. Good heat dissipation effect of the lamp body. Using high efficiency SMD3030 lamp base and also using PC lamps with high light transmittance. There are various light distribution angles, such as 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, type 2, type 3, etc. Okay, you could scan the QR code below to look through our website. Any items you are interested in, please send us an email. We'll send you more details. Bye.